August 2023 is bringing you its own astro events, and we will be treated with a meteor shower in this month. Additionally, we will have two supermoons in a single month. Astrophotographers can still photograph the galactic core of the Milky Way. As the month will come to an end, the zodiacal lights will be visible again. Also, if you are astrophotographers, stick around to the end of the video where we will share with you some bonus content. This is the Universe Factory, and today's video is all about astro events that will take place in August 2023. Before getting into the video, if you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel and press the bell notification next to it. We regularly post interesting stuff on astronomy here that you surely do not want to miss. You may find us on social media platforms as well, links to which have been mentioned in the description down below. Do check it out. Additionally, some interesting astronomy related apps are mentioned that will help you locate celestial objects very easily. Definitely to try out. The month August 2023 will begin with the full moon. The moon will be located on the opposite side of the earth as the sun. This means its face will be completely illuminated, brightened as seen from the earth. Also known as the Sturgeon moon by early Native American tribes, this will be the second of the four supermoons that we will experience this year. The moon will be near its closest approach to the earth and may look slightly larger and brighter than usual. The first conjunction of the month, where Saturn will pass at 2.3 degrees north of the moon at 10:25 UTC, so they will appear to be closer to each other as seen from the earth. Look for this naked eye conjunction above the eastern horizon in Aquarius constellation. The second conjunction of the month, where Jupiter will pass at 2.5 degrees south of the moon at 9:44 UTC. On this day, they will appear to be closer to each other as seen from the earth. Look for this naked eye conjunction above the eastern horizon between Aries and Cetus constellations. Being always closer to the sun, Mercury is very difficult to observe because most of the time it is hidden in the glare of the sun. But on this day, it will reach greatest eastern elongation of 27.4 degrees from the sun. This is the best time to view Mercury since it will be at its highest point above the horizon in the evening sky. Look for the planet low in the western sky just after the sunset. The Perseids is one of the best meteor showers to observe, producing up to 60 meteors per hour at its peak. It is produced by comet Swift-Tuttle, which was discovered in 1862. The Perseids are famous for producing a large number of bright meteors and runs annually from July 17 to August 24. This year's peak will be on the night of August 12 and the morning of August 13. The crescent moon should not be too much of a problem this year, and skies should still be dark enough for a good show. Best viewing will be from a dark location after the midnight. Meteors will radiate from Perseus constellation but can appear anywhere in the sky. This time the moon will be located on the same side of the earth as the sun. That is why its face will be completely invisible in the night sky. This is the best time of the month to observe faint objects such as galaxies and star clusters because there is no moonlight to interfere. The third conjunction of the month, where Mercury and Mars will appear to be closer to the moon as seen from the earth. It will be a triple conjunction and will take place above the western horizon right after the sunset. Look for Virgo constellation where this conjunction will take place. An occultation is an event that occurs when one object is hidden from the observer by another object that passes between them. On this night, the moon will pass in front of Antares, the brightest star of Scorpius constellation. This rare event will happen at 2:29 UTC and will be visible in the central US and northern Florida. Make sure to check out the occultation map and details mentioned in the description. The ringed planet Saturn will be at its closest approach to Earth and its face will be fully illuminated by the sun. It will be brighter than any other time of the year and will be visible all night long. This is the best time to view and photograph Saturn and its moons. A medium-sized or larger telescope will allow you to see Saturn's rings and a few of its brightest moons. We recently posted a video about James Webb Space Telescope imaging Saturn, its ring system and moons. Check it out here for the detailed analysis of that image. The moon will be located on the opposite side of the Earth as the sun and its face will be fully illuminated. This is also the third of 4 supermoons for 2023 and second supermoon in August 2023 itself. The moon will be near its closest approach to the Earth and may look slightly larger and brighter than usual. Since this is the second full moon in the same month, it is sometimes referred to as a blue moon. As promised at the beginning of the video, here is for you astrophotographers some bonus content. The days around a new moon are perfect, ideal to observe the night sky because there is very low to absolutely no moonlight interference. The galactic center of the Milky Way is visible in this month. In the northern hemisphere, the nights are short, but if you take the good advantage of them and you are in the south of Europe, for example, you can photograph the galactic center completely vertical. And if you are in Brazil in southern hemisphere, you can play with the elevation of the galactic center and place it almost anywhere you want. You can also capture star trails. Have you ever captured a circumpolar? No? Then it is a good time to try out. Additionally, you can observe and capture zodiacal lights as well, a mysterious cone of light in the sky during the spring or autumn months. Zodiacal light is a hazy pyramid of light located above the sunrise or sunset point in the horizon. It is centered on the ecliptic, that is sun's path in the sky that crosses the well-known zodiac constellations. That is why it is called the zodiacal light. So there you go with all the major astro events that will take place in August 2023. If you found this video helpful and if you are interested watching any of these events by yourself, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification next to it. Do not forget to give a thumbs up and share it with your fellow astro enthusiasts. Also, if you have any questions or any suggestions, feel free to mention them in the comments down below. We will try to respond to them in the best way we can. Additionally, if you are curious about what happened to our Milky Way galaxy's supermassive black hole around 2 centuries ago, or how JWST detected a kilonova explosion in space, watch these videos as well. We will be back with yet another super interesting video for you soon. Till then, dream bigger, reach for the stars, and keep looking up.